In this video, I will show you how to distinguish between ta, open ta, and Ta Marbuta. In my previous videos, I mentioned how to distinguish between Ta Marbuta and ha, and let me go over it really quick before I start with the new video, which is Ta Marbuta and open ta. So really quick, Ta Marbuta, if you want to know it's Ta Marbuta, not ha, you just pronounce one of the nouns, one of the adjective. Let's say Jamila. Let's add tanween to Jamila. Jamilatun, Jamilatin, Jamilatan. So if you hear ta sound, then it's Ta Marbuta. Let's do another one. Madrasa. Madrasatun, Madrasatin, Madrasatan. So you can add tanween or you can add any of the short vowels. Let's see ha. Let's pick the word Allah. I want to add dhamme. Allahu, Allaha, Allahi. Did you hear ta sound? No. So if you don't hear ta sound, then it's ha. Let's do another example. هذه, هذه. وجهون. So you can add tanween or you can add dhamme or fatha on kasra and pronounce. If you hear ta sound, that means Ta Marbuta. If you didn't hear ta sound, that means ha. Now let's talk about open ta. We call this open ta, ta maftuha, and ta marbuta, which is this one. Ta maftuha and ta marbuta. Again, go back to singular noun. Write any noun in a singular and add sukoon to it. Sukoon means you don't add any sounds at the end. Like it's not dhamme, it's not fatha, it's not kasra. There's no u, a, e sounds. Just stop. Sukoon means you stop at the end. Bent. Bent. If you hear ta, that means it's open ta. Bait. Bait. Again, write the noun and add sukoon. Medina. Medina. All the time. Pronounce it as a singular noun so you can distinguish it's open ta or it's Ta Marbuta. Medina. Sayara. So again, if I want to go over it again, I will say Bint, Medina, Bait, Sayara. So when you hear the sound ta at the end, that means open ta. Otherwise, it's Ta Marbuta. Also, something else you can distinguish. If you see verbs like katabtu, darastu, you will never see Ta Marbuta, never see Ta Marbuta in any of the verbs in Arabic language. Ta Marbuta, only you can see it in the nouns, adjectives, that's it. You don't see Ta Marbuta in any of the verbs in Arabic language. All the time, the verbs, if you see ta at the end, it's open ta. Again, you will never see Ta Marbuta in any of the verbs in the Arabic language. You will never see Ta Marbuta in any of the verbs. You can see open ta in the verbs, but Ta Marbuta, no. There's no Ta Marbuta in the verbs. So anytime you see verb and you are not sure, go back and remember the rules. Ta Marbuta, always you see it in the nouns, in the adjectives, but the verbs, it's always open ta. If you are not sure about the noun, if you see nouns and you are not sure, then go back and play the sukoon game. Add sukoon and pronounce. Bent, Medina. Bait, Sayara. If you don't hear ta, then it's not open ta. Also, Ta Marbuta, you can see it in the singular feminine nouns, such as فتاة, حديقة, مدرسة, فاطمة, طالبة, وردة. Open Ta, also you can see it in feminine plurals. طالبات, بنات, جامعات. Any word that consisting of 3 letters and has sukun in the middle, it's open Ta. زيت, here, sukun. بنت, sukun in the middle. أخت, sukun in the middle. بيت, sukun in the middle. Also, open Ta, you can see it in the broken plurals. زيت, زيوت. بنت, بنات. أخت, أخوات. بيت, بيوت. Open Ta, also you can see it as I mentioned before in the verbs. ذهبت, أكلت. ذهبت, أكلت. قالت, قلت. Remember, you will never see Ta Marbuta in any of the verbs in the Arabic language. Some pronouns also ends with open Ta. أنت, أنتِ, أنت, أنتِ.